Okay, so welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing old artwork out of 1 out of 5 kind of thing. Well, out of 5 to begin with. And we're going to see how much my stuff has changed. So basically, if you guys want to see some of my most recent things, you can see my Blender tutorials, Season 1, Season 2 and Season 3 that are currently available. I'm currently waiting for my computer to be repaired, so we are going to go ahead and see the reviews, essentially, of what I have done in the past. So yeah, obviously I'm going to give them a rating. I'm going to give them a rating under composition, lighting, materials, performance, and cinematic. Okay, so this one is a speed painting. So I'm going to go ahead and click play on this. I have no clue whether I've got copyrighted music on this because YouTube's policies seem to change a lot, so hopefully not. And if you are watching this on other websites, this might not be available on other websites if there's music in the background. So yeah, without further ado, let's go. Alright, we've got a nice canvas. Cool. I think I've seen this one too many times. To be honest with you, like, I don't know where the canvas for this painting is. It's probably like with the rest of my stuff, but I did stop painting canvases after a while, primarily because it just takes up so much room. I'm just going to turn this down so you guys can hear me. Yeah. I do like this one, but can you guys tell me the problem that I have right here? Because I used to do ballet, right? So this was painted before I started to do ballet. I started doing ballet a little bit late in life. I don't do it anymore. It was very basics that I did. The school that I went to, I mean, I don't want to say that they weren't great, but I didn't feel supported with the course that I was doing. So then I stopped doing ballet for a while. But the one thing that you'll notice with this is that ballet shoes have ribbons on some of them, and the ribbons seem to be halfway up her shins. And I think this was before I realised that that's not how pointe works. That's not how they're tied. I mean, for decoration, if you wanted to do that, you could do, but I was always told don't do them up like that. Yeah, so we'll continue. You can see that they've got the nice little wrap around here. I don't know what the orange thing is. Maybe it was just a perspective thing. Yeah. I like the way that it is. I look so proud right there. That's me. Look at me. I was really skinny back then. Oh gosh, yeah. Like, especially like around the shoulders and stuff like that. I don't know, like, it kind of interests me how and why I was so skinny back then. This was like when I was 15, 16. Yeah, very interesting. Anyway, composition wise, I kind of do like the framing on it. I do like the way that it looks. It's kind of like the mirror image. Like, the little girl is like the adult. She sees herself as the Nutcracker, so to speak. Is that what we could do with that one? The lighting, I feel that the lighting, it does mirror. The lighting is coming from this direction, right over here. So when we see the shadows, it's hitting the wall and it's going up, appropriate to how it should be. The lighting is above on this side. Don't you love it when your technology basically taps out? And I'm looking at my screen recorder now going, don't you dare turn off again. Like, that was literally my screen recorder just going. This is how much issue that I've had with this computer. It just doesn't run the way that it used to. Oh, goodness me. Broken record. Cinematic factor, the wow factor, I think it needs improving a little bit. The edges definitely could be shapened up a little bit more. I think given what I had, it was okay. I don't think, like, me personally, I don't think that I have painting skills. I can get the composition in there, but I don't think that I have painting skills. I am so glad that I didn't. Well, I tried to join an art class for university. They allowed me to go into animation. I hated animation, and the art class itself for fine art just turned around to me and said, sorry, try somewhere else. I was rejected. Now I can kind of see why. Yeah, for this particular piece, I would probably rate this. I like it. I do like it. I don't think that the video gives it real justice, but I'm going to have to go with maybe a 3 out of 5 for this one. Being what it is. Yeah, so if you guys enjoyed, please like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, and hopefully my equipment won't tap out. Bye bye.